Hey guys, this is Autumn with KAJ Bath & Body, back to make you guys another Christmas soap. This is Joyful Artisan soap. This is the making and the cutting of it. This is a happy and fun, full-on Christmas soap. I will pop in from time to time and let you know what I'm doing. At the end, when I cut the soap, I'll be in there talking to you guys, letting you know my thoughts and feelings about this joyful soap. Please enjoy the video. I'll be back to talk to you pretty soon.
Everything will be okay, 'cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else.
So I'm about to put a mica line in right here in between the layers. Something that I learned to do that has been working for me is I spray the mica through with the little puff sprayer, and then I take a fork and I just touch the top layer of the mica right there, just to put little teeny marks in it. And since I started doing that, I don't have my layers separate when I do mica lines. So maybe give that a try and let me know if it works out for you. I know that I had a hard time in the beginning with my layers separating with mica lines. So if you have that issue, give this a try and let me know if it works out.
For this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I'm getting ready to put in my embeds in the soap. I made 2 heart embeds with glycerin soap. It's something that I do quite often. I enjoy the clear soap. The light will come through the soap through this embed, and I like the look. So I got a red one and I got a green one, and they line up pretty perfectly. My red one's a little short. I don't know what I was thinking there, but it works out.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything
Hey guys, okay, it's time to cut this soap. I'm super excited. Hopefully we have a Christmas tree on top and we have a little cute design in the middle. So let's get to chopping this soap. My high top soaps always have a lot of height to them. And I was always chopping off the top of my soaps on accident, well, smashing them on accident. Just because my cutters just could not handle them. They were way too tall. And I love being able to just not have to worry about it and make my soap as tall as I want to make it, because I know my cutter, this cutter, will take care of it. Alright, here we go. Now we want to be careful. I got a lot of glitters and designs, decorations. I don't want drugs for my soap, so we're going to go a little slow. And we're through. Okay. So let's see. I'm excited. I haven't looked. I haven't seen. I haven't peeked. Hopefully we have a Christmas tree on top. Eee! Look at that. What do you think? Look at my little Christmas decoration balls. I think they came out perfect, and my star on top. Super duper sparkly. Then we got all the cuteness on top with the decorations. Oh, adorable. We got a little drag right there through, but that's okay. It's just from one of my star glitter. And we got the hearts inside. I think that looks Christmas. Definitely looks Christmas to me. All right, let's do another one. Finally got a free moment. Kevin took John to the grocery store so I can film this and talk to you guys a little bit, because my house is just crazy. When John and Kevin are home, I have no quiet time to film and talk to you guys, and that's why I couldn't narrate the first part of this video, because they were home just running amok. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Christmas. Oh, and I have my mica lines between the layers on the bottom. Let's check the other side. These are huge bars. Look how thick those bars are. These are probably 10-ounce bars. But they are adorable. I love the star. Got my decorations on top, all the little glitters. So they went to the store, gave me a minute so I can cut this soap with you guys and talk to you about it. This was a fun soap. I really wanted to do a all-out, over the top Christmas soap. I wasn't gonna do it this year, just because I had a lot of them left over from last year. They didn't all sell, and it's kind of hard to sell a Christmas soap after Christmas. So we used Christmas soaps for a long time, way into this year, earlier this year. Look at that. And they're gonna look pretty much the same, just different colored on top. Little Christmas balls. Oh, and they smell amazing. I did a custom blend. So it's got the it's got a little spice note to it, a little bit of a cinnamon. It's got Fraser fir. So it's got a little bit of the Christmas tree smell, a little bit of the cinnamon Christmas candy smell, and it's got a really strong, like the strongest thing I smell is the apples. So cute. Little star. The stars are perfect for the top. Yep. Cute. Yeah, so the fragrance is just perfect. The smells so good. And the first thing you do smell is the apple. So you got apple, then you got the cinnamon, and then you get a little hint of the Fraser fir, the evergreen. I'm gonna be real careful. Try not to drag my glitter through it. Oh, I'm so excited. So this will be my one over-the-top Christmas bar. These bars are huge. They're probably over an inch. Yeah, these are gonna be at least, oh, look at that mica line. They came out really well. These are gonna be at least 10-ounce bars. I bet you they're a little bit over 10 ounces. But with big bars like this, when you get them, if they're too big for you to use, you can cut them into smaller bars. The frosting, the green, the Christmas tree, is scented. Not everyone scents their frosting, but this one is. So if you want to make cut the bars smaller, you can cut the Christmas tree off the top. Let me show you. Cute. Oh, you can see the mica lines up in the Christmas tree area too. Cute. But you can cut it off, cut right here, and you can have the Christmas tree top as a piece, and your base will be a soap too. So you'll actually end up with two really cute Christmas soaps, and they're still going to be two good sized soaps. If this one's just a little too big for you to use all together. They're both, yeah, frosting is scented and the base is scented. So definitely a soap that you can cut in two and get two different bars, because these are huge bars. All right, make this last cut. Yep, I'm glad I made this one. Well, I'm always glad that I made what I decided to make, but I was kind of on the fence about doing something this Christmassy, but I'm glad I did. Okay, check out the last one. Oh, that's right, my red heart didn't go all the way through. So this one, you got one with just a green heart. On the back side, though, it's got a red heart. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload, which is normally once a week on the weekends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.
I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it